Hey tribe, welcome to the HGDC, HG Designs Crochet channel. I'm Heather, your host. I'm 28 from the UK and this is the place where I bring you crochet and knitting and yarny goodness to have a happy making life. Today is a little bit different in that I just wanted to pop up with a little something just to say our tribe is 500 subscribers strong. 500. I'm just gassed right now, and I wanted you to realise that this milestone has been noted, and that I am over the moon. I can't believe it. Like, I can believe it because the tribe's amazing and I've got so much in store for it, but I can't believe we've reached 500. And as my usual vlogs are sort of recorded a week in advance, by the time I would acknowledge this, it would be like 2 weeks from now. So here I am just to say, hey, hi, how you doing? Oh my goodness, look what we're doing. That kind of rhymed. Yeah, so the setup's slightly different, obviously. I'm just in my room. I quite like the lighting in here though, so maybe I'll use this more. I got my hair did, I got my makeup done because I'm going on a date. So I'm hella nervous about that, but really excited, and I feel distracted by it. But first I just wanted to take a hot minute just to pop up here and be like, 500, wow. I have giveaways coming for you. So today is September 4th, we reached this milestone September 3rd. I'm going to Yarndale September 29th or September 30th, whichever the Saturday is, and I will be purchasing goodies to give away. There will be a YouTube giveaway and there will be a Patreon exclusive giveaway. So I'm really looking forward to going and buying some amazing stuff to give away. So that is coming. Pay attention, you always pay attention, but that vlog will go out end of September, start of October, so keep your eyes open for that. By then I might even have hit 600 subscribers, which will be amazing. I actually think we're on track to have like 1,000 strong tribe by the end of the year, because we're just attracting numbers, we're just that good. Hey. What else did I want to say? So I did say to you that when I reached 500 subscribers I would have loads lined up for you, and I do. There's merchandise coming, so there's badges, button badges, enamel badges, and I'm even thinking of doing tote bags. Yeah, because I want stuff that says like tribe. So make sure you comment below if you're into that sort of thing. I already launched Patreon, which is hella cool. If you don't know what Patreon is, that is a platform where people can sign up and they pledge a small amount. So I've just got the one tier, it's $3 a month, which I think is about £2.50 in my currency, in Great British pounds. And that money then, so Patreon take a slight cut for tax, and then that money will go to HGDC, and with that money I intend to make this tribe thrive. I have a Patreon video on YouTube, so head on over to Patreon. I'll put the links in the drop down below, and you can see what I'm all about. But in a nutshell, a little recap before you head on over there. I am really into designing my own garments. I am really into just designing in general. That's why HGDC, HG Designs Crochet, is what it is. I've always set out to be a designer, and I'm now actually realising that goal and making it happen. So I've got crochet and knitwear patterns being released. I've set the date for my first ever real pattern, paid for pattern, to go live September 30th, which is the date that I should be shopping. Or am I shopping the 29th? That weekend's a big weekend basically. I'm also doing big things in my actual career for that day as well, my day job, so September's a big month. So with Patreon, if you sign up, you get up to date, like on the point time now. Does that even make sense? You'll get updates in current time on Patreon. You also get sneak peeks. There's the community boards, there's going to be a Facebook group, and then I'm kind of using that as a substitute for my blog, which I got rid of, so that you can see more of what I'm actually working on, more like in-depth previews than what I can put on Instagram for you. So we've already got a few on there, which is great, and I actually get to know you through that as well. So thank you for everyone that's already signed up. If you want to sign up, the link's below. If you want to just go check it out, please do. I am Patreon to a couple of people on there, and it's just great because you get a bit of an inside scoop. You're really part of a community. So I'm part of Emma's, she's Potter and Bloom, and Melody Knitting. I don't know if any of you are part of any others, but I'd love to know. So yeah, that's just my really quick spiel of, oh my goodness, we reached 500 subscribers, I'm going on a date, I got makeup. I just want to say thank you so much. Got a couple of shout outs. I want to do a shout out to my brother Mitchell Griffith Racing. I don't know if you still watch these, but back in January when everything felt a bit rubbish, I spent quite a lot of time speaking to him. He was a great support, and he said, right, focus on you, focus on your YouTube. At that time when I wasn't very well, I already knew, but I really honed in on the fact that crochet, knitting and this community really had my back, and that crochet just gave me more life, and that's what I wanted to focus on. And so he gave me that push to really go forward with YouTube, and so I started posting regularly to you all, and then from that point on this is all grown. And then I just want to say thank you, bro, for believing in me and giving me that push, because look at what is coming from it. I want to do a shout out to Kalisha, because she did a shout out for me on her vlog, and that's really appreciated. And I just want to say that I love how much you support, and you are a cheerleader for the community. You really hone in on vloggers and indie owned dyers that are, what should we go with, I'll say diverse, so different ethnicities, and just really bringing us all together, which I really like. And I just want to do a shout out to all of you guys for being here, for spending this time with me, for showing up week in, week out to crochet, for all the comments, and just, yeah, wow, look at what we're growing. And it gives me more life just to realise how much I'm inspiring other people. And the more I become myself, or rather the more I have the courage to be my true self, the more, like, the bigger this is growing. So it's just amazing. So, okay, I'm done rambling. 500 subscribers. This tribe is amazing. There's so much good stuff coming. Giveaways. There is tribe merchandise, which I just want for me. So if you guys want some, that's great. Thank you so much. I need to go get ready for my date. Bye guys. Happy making.